Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. So people think you can't use oil to cleanse your skin, but today I'm going to show you how I use coconut oil to cleanse my skin. Without wasting time, let's just get started. Okay, so it's early morning and I need to do my morning skincare routine. So as you can see, I've got some coconut oil in my hand. I'll just go ahead and rub it on my face. I'll do it in a circular motion. Don't forget your eye area. I mean, this is oil, is natural, is organic, it wouldn't burn, it wouldn't irritate. So basically, I do this rubbing for about a minute. I must say, this is ideal for those with very sensitive skin and acne-prone skin. If you've got super dry skin, this coconut oil cleanse will really come in handy. It doesn't irritate, it helps fight wrinkles, and it helps get rid of any blemishes. Now afterwards, I'll come in with a cotton pad and I'll just cleanse my face. I'll just clean off the oil. So after cleaning with the cotton pad, look at how dirty it is. Look at the dirt this oil got out of my face. Then afterwards, I'll come in with a mild facial wash. This is just to remove the oil, the coconut oil on my face. Afterwards, I'll rinse it off. And I will come in with my favorite facial serum. Here I'm using my vitamin C serum. And yes, I'm good to go. Now this is especially great for those with eczema, with sunburn. If you want to boost your collagen, this is going to help you. And it's a very effective facial cleanser. And you know, this is a light oil, it's not as heavy as castor oil, so it works very well to cleanse and moisturize your skin. So yes, if you want to double cleanse, basically I do double cleanse. So I use this oil, then I use my facial wash to cleanse secondly, and it's really helped my skin. So if you want to start double cleansing, you can try this method. I hope I did help you, and I hope you are going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.